James.
Games?
Oo. Next is, house? Oh, may A pala dapat siya.
Gusto mo lagay ko house?
Yeah. Hmm. I don't know. Hoy, help me. Kailangan yung may word mo that may A sa S. Ano
A,
kaya?
S, class. C-L-A-S. Ay, hindi may S na pala, bobo.
Hindi kailangan niya yung word mo may S at saka A.
Ay, double S yan, di ba?
Try mga class. Sige, class.
Class. Ay, type ko lang pala tayo. Ah! Ano yan?
A is
Grass.
Hindi, dapat yung A. Dapat nasa pangalawa yung A eh. Kasi green na siya. Dapat A na yung ano niya.
A-A-S-S.
Oo. Ano? Paint.
Pain?
Paint.
Okay.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Saint.
Saint?
Ay!
Yeah?
Feeling ko hindi yan.
Okay, pag na.
Wag, saint. Wag.
45 seconds.
Hindi kasi masyado matulong mag-letter eh. I don't know. I don't have any idea.
30 seconds.
Drain.
Drain?
Drain, I don't know. Drain.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Final guess?
Wala. Last na to, no?
Yeah.
OMG, I don't have any idea. Don't know. I don't know.
Final guess, te. Final guess na.
Final guess. Ano ba may mga letter na ano? Is that Q?
Yeah, may Q. May Q.
Okay.
Tapos diretso house.
Give up na, te.
Okay na, I don't know talaga.
Sige, okay. Tasty yung word, tasty.
Okay.
Okay.
Tasty.